Hello everyone! In this video, I'll be showing you how to add substitute on Deliveroo. Deliveroo allows riders to appoint a substitute who can complete orders on their behalf. To do this, you must officially register the substitute in the Rider app. First, open the Rider app. Launch the Deliveroo Rider application on your phone. Go to your profile. Tap on your profile page in the app. Select Subcontractors. Look for the Subcontractors option and select it. Add a new substitute. Tap the plus symbol in the top right corner of the screen. Enter details. Fill in the necessary information about your substitute. Confirm responsibilities. Confirm that you've read and understood your responsibilities when engaging a substitute. Substitutes registration. Deliveroo will send your substitute an email. They must complete their own registration, including identity verification and right to work checks before they can begin. Key things to remember. Mandatory registration. Substitute must be registered in the Rider app before working. Independent login. Substitute log in using their own email but won't have access to your personal account details. Your responsibility. You remain responsible for your substitute following Deliveroo's requirements, including safety and health regulations. Zero tolerance policy. Failure to properly register or meet obligations around substitutes may result in account action. And that's it. That's how to add substitute on Deliveroo. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.